we are going to review and swatch it all the shades of all the purpose mousse ng Squad. So here all the shades. So this is baked and toast. Ito yung favorite kong shade sa kanila multi-purpose mousse nila, yung kanilang bronzer and contour shade kasi same color as mine. So this is Gleeful, Sunny, Jolly, Cheery, Blithe, Angelic, Merry, Radiant, Apple, Innocence, Peach Fuzz. Ito yung interesado ako sa shade na to. Fancy and Bubbly. So, ito yung lahat ng swatches nila ng multi-purpose mousse. So, taste and... So, let's see yung contours nila. Ang mga bronzer shades nila. Kung same pa rin as the old formula. Uy! With this one, still blendable and same pa rin sila ng formula with the old one. You know, itong mga shades na to, how much I love the old formula with this one. And it's still blended. So let's go for the lighter ones, Innocence and Peach Fuzz. Oh, ang ganda sa akin ng reception. In fairness, if you blend it off the hook, nagiging fresh yung makeup ko with this one. I super duper love it. Okay, this 4 is my favorite among the rest. Ito na lang yung ginamit ko on my face. Maganda yung formula ng blush nila. Actually, andito pa rin yung mga OG shades, si Gleeful, si Blithe. This is my favorite talaga. Ito yung meron ako, yung Toast and Bake, kasi maganda yung contour and bronzer nila with the cream nila. I like this one. And this is my favorite shade na minix ko, Innocence and Peach Fuzz. So, you better try this right now.